Hey there, it's Kevin, and I want to give you a quick video review of the Fluidmaster Performax Universal Toilet Fill Valve. Alright, so here is the fill valve within my toilet. You can see the blue cap here is the top of the fill valve, and it goes down to the bottom. And when I flush the toilet, the water will go through this hose and into this pipe here. So let's flush it and see what it looks like. Alright, so the water is emptying out, and you can already see that the water is flowing through that hose into the pipe. So if you twist this around, this will lower the level of the water or raise the level of the water within the tank. And then the blue knob back here changes how much water is in the bowl itself. So right now it's at the level that I want it to be at, but we could go less water or more water, just depending on which way you turned it. So ever since I installed it, I haven't heard anything out of my toilet, no leaking or anything, spraying anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you next time.